So I'm going to start off with some oats. This is about 2 cups of oats. And I'm going to add some melted peanut butter. This is about a cup of melted peanut butter to this. Next, I'm going to add some maple syrup. I'm not measuring the maple syrup. And you can use honey as well. So that may be almost a fourth. So we're going to see how this is going to work. A little more. So now I'm going to start off with a half a cup of plant-based milk. I'm going to continue to mix. And this is what it's looking like. You can add more milk if you want. You can add more ingredients as well, raisins. I'm going to add a few chocolate chips. I have only a few dark chocolate chips left, so I'm just going to throw them in there. Here's my glass pan. I'm going to add it to and bake it in the oven.
Whoa!
Check it out.